romance, welcome to another video. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Tizzy. It's nice to see you here. So for today's video, it's a collaboration with Ladouce, and they sent me a bunch of tampons for me to review. I'm expecting you guys to be open-minded about this topic because it's very important. So first things first, what is tampon? So tampon is a mass of absorbent material and used as a feminine hygiene product and designed to be easily inserted into the vagina during menstruation and absorb menstrual blood. So in other words, it's a sanitary napkin na commonly ginagamit sa ibang bansa, but it's now available in the Philippines. So the brand that I'm using is Ladouce. So ito yung box niya. And sa likod, meron siyang instructions on how to use tampon. So when you open the box, there is a guide about tampon, how to use tampon. So meron din silang guide dito and other health information about tampon. So in every box, there are 16 tampons sa loob niya. So it's very sulit. So ang maganda dito sa Ladouce tampons is they have 3 different size. So the first size is the mini. So ito yung box niya. This is the look of the mini tampon. So ito yung pinakamaliit and it absorbs 6 to 9 grams. It's perfect for very light to light menstrual flow, and it's perfect for first time user like me. So the second size is normal. This one. And then yung look niya is ganito. So it's perfect for moderate menstrual flow and it absorbs 9 to 12 grams. And this one is perfect for your second day of menstruation. Third is the super. So ito yung pinakamalaking size. Ito yung look ng tampon niya. So medyo malaki siya. And it's perfect for heavy menstrual flow. It absorbs 12 to 15 grams. So if we're going to compare the 3 different size of tampons, so this is how they look like. So as you can see, mini, yung pinakamaliit, yung normal, and then yung third is yung super, which is yung pinakamalaki. So next is how to use tampon. So first mong gagawin is you need to select your size. My first size is the mini, so which is ito. Kung nakikita nyo, there's a dot sa gitna, tapos may arrow. So yan lang yung hahawakan nyo dito, tapos i-twist nyo siya para mabuksan. So ganito lang siya guys. I-bend nyo. Pag nag-crack siya, tapos nyo is-twist yan. Yan. Tapos, pag na-open na, una mong i-remove yung foil sa bottom part. So, kung na-remove mo na yan, straight mo yan, and then, hold the bottom part of the tampon. Yan. Ganito na yung look niya guys. So next thing is how to insert a tampon. So first is you need to wash your hands. So let's say this is our intimate area. So imagine na lang natin guys na ito yung intimate area natin kasi bawal naman ipakita, di ba? So this is the tampon. So first is you're going to hold it sa middle finger mo tsaka sa thumb finger mo. Tapos yung point finger mo is yun yung pang push. So, ganito lang guys. Insert mo siya. Pag na-insert mo na yan, yung point finger mo, ito yung magpupush. So, pag na-push mo na yan, dapat iwan mo yung cotton strings sa labas. So, ganyan na siya. And if you feel uncomfortable or nafe-feel mo pa yung tampon, push mo na lang siya ng konti. Tapos, pag wala ka nang na-feel, yun na, perfect na. So, ganyan lang paglagay ng tampon guys. Well, here's my tip guys. Before inserting this tampon into your vaggie, make sure to inhale and exhale and relax guys. Kasi pag hindi tayo nag-relax, nagko-contract yung muscles natin. So, tayo din ang mahirapan. So, we need to feel relaxed every time we're going to insert tampon. So, next is mag-absorbency test tayo. So, this is my container and this is my, let's say, that's the blood. And I have my tampon. So, ipopour ko to. So, ganyan yung mangyayari sa blood mo. So, as you can see, na-absorb niya lahat yung fluid. Wala siyang leak or tagos. So, there are many misconceptions about tampons. So, kahit ako, ang dami kong questions before about tampons. So, first is, safe and secure ba to? Well, as a first-time user, I assure you na it's very safe and secure kasi wala namang nangyari sa akin, so it's safe and secure talaga. And it's dermatologically tested. And then second is, it hurts. So, well, at first, nung ginamit ko to, it feels uneasy, it feels uncomfortable kasi hindi ko siya properly na-insert ng maigi. But if nalagay mo na to in a proper way, it's hassle-free na guys, and it's very comfortable na. So another misconception is that it might get lost inside my vagina. Well, that's very funny. But napaisip din ako niyan before, what if mamising to sa vagi ko and hindi ko mahanap, or what if hindi ko to makuha. But I assure you guys, it's very safe kasi ito lang yung ipapasok nyo, of course, and hindi nyo i-include yung string, so dapat sa labas ng vagin nyo to, tapos ito lang yung ipapasok nyo. So just make sure na ito lang at wag nyo i-include ito. So the last misconception about tampon is kung virgin ka pa ba if gagamit ka ng tampon. Well, you're still safe and virgin if gagamit ka ng tampon because in my experience, hindi naman na-break yung hymen ko. And masasabi mo lang na hindi ka na virgin if nag-sexual intercourse ka na, or that means nakipag-sex ka sa ibang lalaki. So that's the time na masasabi mo na hindi ka na virgin. Because hindi related ang tampon about dyan guys. So wag nyo i-blame yung tampon na madi-virginize kayo nito kasi hindi. Ano yung feeling pag gumamit ng tampon? So first is, in my experience, it feels uneasy, it feels uncomfortable because hindi naman kasi ito yung nasanayan kong sanitary napkin. But when I tried it and insert it properly, comfortable naman siya and hassle-free. So as a first-time user, bakit ko nagustuhan yung tampon? Well, madami siyang benefit guys. First is, it's very lightweight. So, pwede mo siyang dalhin kahit saan, and it's very safe and secure kasi nakabalot siya ng plastic and hindi siya makakontaminate ng any bacteria. Second is, it's odor-free. Third is, hindi ka nagkaka-rashes. Hindi ka gaya sa pads na nagkaka-rashes ka sa plastic nung pads niya, di ba? And then the fourth is, hindi ako nagkakatagos. I swear guys, hindi ako nagkakatagos nito, and I don't have to worry about tagos anymore. Unlike sa pads na nagkakatagos ako every time I go to sleep, and this one is a life savior. So the next benefit is yung comfort. Ang dami ko kasing bad experience sa pads, and every time I use pads, napaka-uncomfortable niya kasi meron siyang sariling mundo doon sa vagi ko. Aside sa gumagalaw siya guys, pumu-forward siya or bumabackward, and it's so annoying. But when I use tampons, i-insert mo lang siya sa vagi mo and you're done. It's worry-free and it's hassle-free. Pwede ka mag-swimming kahit may period ka guys kasi it's very okay na gamitin kung meron kang ginagawang sport or any activities. The last benefit na nagustuhan ko dito sa tampon is I can wear it anytime. So if you are my subscriber, you already know that I am a travel vlogger and I love going to the beach and I love wearing bikinis. So it's very helpful for me, lalo na pag nagkaka-period ako. Hindi ako nakakapag-swim or nakakapag-bikini every time I use pads. And when I start using tampon, it really changed my life. And every time nagkaka-period ako, I have this dysmenorrhea. And every time nagpa-pads ako before, yung dysmenorrhea ko, lalo siyang sumasakit kasi hindi nakaka-breathe yung vagi nyo. But when I tried using tampon guys, nakakahinga na siya na maigi. And it's less sakit na sa dysmenorrhea ko. So this Ladus tampons is now available in the Philippines, and you can order it online sa Shopee, sa Lazada, and sa Beauty Manila. I will put in the description box so that it's easy for you to click the website. And it's because it's my first sponsored video. Magi-giveaway ako ng 3 box with different sizes. For 2 lucky winners, makaka-receive siya ng 3 box ng Ladus tampons with different sizes. So all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my Instagram, and comment #Ladus Philippines. Comment your Instagram and Facebook account. Alright, so that's all for my video. I hope you learned something from me. Till my next video. Bye!